Good morning, students. This class we are going to learn construction of the centroid of a triangle. Listen the definition. Centroid, the point of congruency of the medians of a triangle is called the centroid of the triangle. Consider one triangle A, B, C. Take the midpoint. Okay. This is the median line. So the median lines are intersecting one point. That point is called the centroid of the triangle, and it is usually denoted by G. Okay, again I'll repeat the definition. The point of congruency of the medians of a triangle is called the centroid of the triangle and is usually denoted by G. Now I'll explain one example sum. Example 4.12. Construct the centroid of triangle PQR whose sides are PQ 8 cm, QR 6 cm and RP 7 cm. Write solution. Write the given values first. Given PQ 8 cm, QR 6 cm and RP 7 cm. Listen the construction. Construction is first you draw a rough diagram. Step 2 is we use the given measure, draw triangle PQR. And step 3 is construct the perpendicular bisector of any two sides. We use this perpendicular bisector, then only we get the midpoint. Okay. Then step 4 is to find the midpoints of M and N of PQ and QR respectively. PQ side find out M midpoint, QR side find out N midpoint using this perpendicular bisectors. And step 5, draw the medians PN and RM. So the two lines are intersecting one point. That point is G. Step 6 is G is the centroid of the given triangle PQR. These are the construction. Okay. Now listen the diagram. Your geometry note, right side you write the question, definition, construction. But left side you draw the diagrams. Okay, rough diagram and the fair diagram or main diagram. You should draw in your note left side. Don't do it right side. Only question, definition, construction you write in your note right side. Listen the diagrams. Your note left side, this corner you draw the rough diagram using the given measurement. PQR is a triangle and the measures 8, 6 and 7. Now I'll start the main diagram. Draw the baseline first. Step 1 completed, rough diagram, and step 2 is you draw triangle PQR using the given measurement. First you complete the baseline PQ 8 cm. Okay, PQ 8 cm, 0 to 8. Draw one line, label P and Q. Write 8 cm. Next, using the compass, take 7 cm. Using the compass, take 7 cm. Pierce the center. Draw one arc. Okay, pierce the center. Draw arc using 7 cm. Next, again using the compass, take 6 cm. 6 cm. Q as the center. Draw the arc. The two arcs are intersecting. Take that point as R. Now join PR and RQ. Join PR and RQ. Write the measure 7 cm and 6 cm. Next you draw the perpendicular lines. Step 3. Construct the perpendicular bisector of any two sides. I will select PQ and QR. Okay. P as the center, take half and above value. Half and above is, baseline is 8 centimeter. So half and above is 4.5, 5, 6, 7. Any one of the measure you select and draw arcs above and below. Above and below. Don't change the measure. Again Q as the center. Draw arc. That arcs didn't cut it, then extend the arc. Find out the point of intersection. Extra extension is irrobit. So mark the point. Use the dotted line. Join these two intersecting points. Use the dotted line. Next you draw one more perpendicular bisector using QR. Here also you take half and above. Half and above take. Draw arcs above and below. Then R as the center. You don't change the measure. Again draw arcs. So the arcs are intersecting at the point. You note the point and draw the line using dotted line. Draw dotted lines. This is the perpendicular bisector. This perpendicular bisector intersecting PQ at M point. QR at N point. Okay, M and N. So this is the midpoint. M and N are the midpoints of PQ and QR respectively. Step 5. Draw the medians PN and RM. PN. P to N. You draw the line. P to N. So P to N you draw the line and R to M. R to M you draw the line. Okay, this is the median line. PN and RM. So these two lines are intersecting or meet at G. This is the centroid. Okay, this is the centroid. So the point G is the centroid of the given triangle PQR. This is the diagram. This like I will complete one more question. Listen it. Turn next page and write the question. Exercise 4.5, question number 2. First question, you do it, homework. Second question, draw and locate the centroid of the triangle ABC, where right angle at A, AB 4 cm and AC 3 cm. Right angle is we get one of the perpendicular line. Solution is write the given value AB 4 cm and AC 3 cm. Construction, first you draw the rough diagram. Second, you draw triangle ABC using the given measures. Third step, construct the perpendicular bisector of any two sides. I will take AB and AC. Step 4, to find the midpoints of M and N of AB and AC respectively. Step 5 is draw the medians. So medians, we use the diagram and write the construction. Okay. Last point, we get the centroid. Now I will complete the diagram. Your note, left side, this corner, you draw the rough diagram here. This is the rough diagram. This one perpendicular line AC. We use the protractor and find out this line. AB is 4 cm and AC is 3 cm. Okay. See the main diagram. First you draw the baseline AB 4 cm using the scale. So using the scale, draw 4 cm line. 4 cm line. Okay. Using the scale and draw 4 cm line. Label the points A, B. This one is 4 cm. Now I find out the perpendicular line. Using the protractor, we draw 90-degree line. So, A is the center. The protractor line and this line segment are coincide. Now you take 90-degree. This is right to left, you take it 0 to 90-degree. 90-degree. Then you draw the line using this point. Now using the scale, take 3 centimeter because AC is 3 centimeters. So you take 3 centimeter. A as the center. Draw one arc. That arc cut this perpendicular line. Okay. So that point is, you take C. Now join B and C. Join B and C. Next step, to find, you find this one is triangle ABC. So step 2 completed. Step 3 is construct the perpendicular bisector of any two sides. I will take AB and AC. Okay. So using the compass, take half and above value. So the line segment above and below, you draw 2 arcs. And B as the center, draw arcs. That arcs are intersect the previous arc. So you note that point and use the dotted line. Join these 2 points. Okay. Next one is AC. Draw the perpendicular bisector using the line segment AC. So half and above, you take it. Draw 2 arcs. C as the center. Draw 2 arcs. That arcs are intersecting. You note that point. Use the dotted line and join these 2 points. So the perpendicular bisector intersecting AB at M. AB at M. AC at N. Okay. So the perpendicular lines are intersecting AB at M, AC at N. Now join BN and CM. Okay. Join BN and CM. B to N, you join it. And C to M. So the 2 lines are meet at G. This is the centroid. So the construction 5th point is draw the median CM and BN. Let them meet at G. Okay. So the intersecting point of BM and CN at G. So this G is the centroid of the triangle ABC. Thank you, students.